Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 4, quadratic equation. So first of all, we will try to understand equation means what. Actually, to refresh your memory, we will discuss equation first. But to know the equation of equations, you must know about the variables and the constant. Variable means a variable is a quantity that may change within the context of a mathematical problems. This, for example, we are taking the example x, y, z. These are the variables. So the value of the x is not fixed; it is changeable. Like sometimes it may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Every time it is going to change. So that is the value which is changeable is variable. So here is x, y, z. These are the variables. Constant is a number that is fixed and known. Means that during execution of the program, value remains unchanged. Or you can say fixed. That is known as a constant. For instance, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are the constants. Now, on the variable and the constant, if we apply any mathematical operation, means mathematical operations, if we apply any one of the mathematical operations of variable and constant, mathematical operation means we are going to do add them, subtract, multiply and division. So if we apply any one of the operation on the variable and the constant, if you are going to add them like x plus 2, or you are going to subtract x minus 2, multiply 2x or divide by 2, then they are known as a algebraic. These are the algebraic expressions. These are algebraic expressions. So x plus 2, x minus 2, 2x, x by 2, these are the algebraic expression. Any algebraic expression will change in equation if it is equal to 0. Means if the sign of equality is there, if sign of equality, there is a sign of equal sign is given there, then that algebraic expression change in equation. Now this is an equation. Now we will discuss about quadratic. Quadratic means qua means 2. Qua means 2. Dratic means order. Dratic means order. So if any equation whose order is 2, then you can say that is the quadratic equation. Now the standard form of a quadratic equation is, so look at here now. The standard form of a quadratic equation, if a is not equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constant. Means this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. If your equation is in the form of this one, like here, ax square plus bx plus c, here the variable is x, one variable is there, then that equation will be the quadratic equation. For instance, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. And very important point is here only, to become a quadratic, the degree of an equation must be 2. This is a very important point is here. Degree must be 2 and equation must be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Sometimes what happens, the degree is given 2, but the given equation is not a quadratic. For instance, I am taking one example. Let's suppose you are taking the equation x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. The degree of this equation is 2. The degree of this equation is 2. See now, here is the 2, 2 and 2. But this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So, to become a quadratic equation, your equation must be in this form. You are supposed to compare each and every equation with this equation, and that equation is look like ax square plus bx plus cb. That is in the form of this one. Then only you can say that is a quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equations are, there are the two types of quadratic equations. See, first is pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation. Second is complete quadratic equation. Complete quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation is if your equation in the form of if a is not equal to 0, then ax square plus b is equal to c, where a, b and c are constant. The important point is here only in an equation, because in general the equation is already been discussed. If a is not equal to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where a, b and c are constant. This is already been discussed. Any equation will be the pure quadratic equation if the power one term. If the power one term, you can say power one term. Power one term is missing, or you can say b is equal to 0. Like here is, in place of d you can take like d like this. Means the power one term. The power one term is missing. If this term, this bx term is missing, means this one is missing, then that is the pure quadratic equation. For instance, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the pure quadratic equation where the power one term is missing. Only x square term is there and constant is there. But in case of the complete quadratic equation, the standard form is if a is not equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c. This is not missing. Power one term is not missing. That is known as a complete quadratic equation where a, b and c are constant. You can take an example like x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the example of complete quadratic equation. Complete quadratic equation means this is the term, means power one term. Power one term is not missing. This is power one term is not missing, then that is the complete quadratic equation. If the power one term is missing, means there is no term of x, only x square term is there, then that is the pure quadratic equation. So there are the two different types of equations are there, pure quadratic equation and complete quadratic equation. Now we are going to discuss that how can we check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So one question I am taking, with the help of the question we will try to understand. So look at here now. Now question is whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So example I am taking, for instance, suppose your example is given x plus 1 whole square is equal to 3x minus 4. We want to check whether this equation is quadratic or not. So directly we cannot say this equation until unless we are not going to remove these brackets. You must simplify first. So this is x plus 1 whole square is like a plus b whole square. So you can expand. This is your x square plus b square 1 plus 2ab 2x is equal to, this is 3x minus 12. Now you must transpose each and every term on the left hand side. Just make it equal to 0. So now you are going to transpose. So this is x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is x square 2x minus 3x, you can add on minus x plus 1 plus 12, 13 is equal to 0. So now if we compare this equation with this one, like here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now you can compare these two. So your this equation x square minus x plus 13 is equal to 0 in the form of like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is 1 is here, b is minus 1, c is 13. So this is a quadratic. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. This is your part 1 is there. Then because we are going to divide this chapter into 4 parts at least, so this is your part 1. And next video in part 2, the rest of the things we will discuss. Thank you.